And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a logo using the color guide in Adobe Illustrator. I've got snap to point and the smart guides activated. I'll make the fill color black and I use the ellipse tool, hold shift and create a perfect circle. I align it to the center. Let me put it to the right side. I'll zoom in and now I use the rectangle tool. Let me make that red. And the smart guides, they help you finding the correct position. But this wasn't the right one, so let me delete that. Make sure you've got the top anchor point, go to the center and then hold shift and you've got this square placed on top of your circle. Press V for the selection, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, position it to the left and then press Ctrl D. Got 3 of them and we need another copy to the right side. I shift click on these 4, hold Alt and drag a copy out of it, and then I press Ctrl D 2 more times. So this is now what we've got. It's 16 of these squares and a circle. Now we can use the shape builder to hold Alt and get rid of these shapes on the right top. Now we want to place this half circle to the bottom, so I shift click on the top elements on the right and hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, and then I use the shape builder to once again hold Alt and get rid of these overlaps to the right bottom. Let me change the color of this element. Under window you will find your color guide menu, or click on this icon over here, and depending what you select, you can change the color, or you can use different shades or tints, and that is what we want to do here. So shift click on these elements and give it the same tint, one by one, and I go one of these tint levels further to the right with every level of squares. And that's it. Right click group. Here we have a kind of a gradient letter logo created with this color guide. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.